Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney and today I'm sharing with you guys a little Coach bag unboxing. If you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it, sis. So I've been looking for a black bag that's not as big as my Tory Burch Kira bag, and then that's not as small as Kira. I don't know what this one's called, but this is also a Coach bag too, but she's a bit smaller, right? And to me, she gives more casual wear. She's just kind of like an everyday, let me throw this on type of bag, right? It's a little bit chunkier on the sides here, but they have really nice compartments, and then it has that little turn lock, and of course the interior. And yeah, it's just a very nice bag. Like I said, very carefree, has held up. Wear this in the rain, girl. This is a very carefree bag. I knew I wanted a new bag that was kind of same thing, kind of carefree, but could also be worn for date night, or if I was wanting to go out and run some errands, I could have a very nice elevated but casual bag. So that's what prompted me to get her. Let's go ahead and do the bag reveal. Here's the bag. This one is the soft grain leather Tabby 26 bag. I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest of this out. I took all of it out for the short and just added it back in for this video, but wanted to share with you guys how different that is from my other Tabby. And I can also go get her. I have it in chalk. That short did a lot of numbers, so a lot of people saw me unbox that when I got it. So it has the same front pocket here as always, and then same compartments. As I start to take out the paper, the filling, you guys will start to see just how soft this bag is. I cannot wait until it wears down a little bit. I'm already in love. So it also has, what my Tabby doesn't have is this little button here, this little button closure part there. This bag is just, she's floppy. She's not like my other Tabby at all. My other Tabby is way more structured. This one is very just soft. You can just tell the leather is impeccable. Like, it's like no other. I actually tried on two other bags. One was the jet bag. Pop a picture on the screen. The other was it a Brook bag? I don't know. I had them on my wish list to try. They did not feel as premium and as nice as these, but they were still nice bags. Like, I would still buy the, I believe it's the jet one. I would actually still purchase that one. They could not compete with this leather. This leather is out of this world. It's so nice. It's so soft, very beautiful. Also has a zip pocket, which my other Tabby does not have. So that's kind of cool. I don't really use this back pocket for anything, but the fact that it zips closed is really nice. Per usual, it does come with two straps. This strap is the shorter one, so this one is the one I'm probably gonna wear the most. Not as thick as the other Tabby that I have. I'm actually gonna go get that bag in a minute. But yeah, this is the bag. Like I said, I cannot wait till she wears a little bit and gets like, oh, she's cute, you guys. And I love that, of course, it has that like accordion type design, so it can expand if you want to put more things in it. Of course, I know you guys have seen it flopping around. I also picked out a charm. This is actually my first charm that I've ever gotten for any of my bags, and it's the small cherry. And then I also got it hot stamped. I got my initials, which I've never done either. On the inside, it's full leather. I don't regret this bag at all. I almost forgot to share with you guys, it does come with the long strap too. Let me go get my chalk Tabby to kind of compare the two, because I know y'all are probably gonna want to see like what's it really giving. So I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I came back with the OG Tabby, the one that started it all. This was my first Coach bag and love her down. I know it's time for me to bring her back out. She's chalk. She's a very cute, cool tone white. Love her, or kind of off-white really. She's still in really good condition. I have like this little, I don't know, something I could probably buff out or something back here, but outside of that, she's still in perfect condition. Love, 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 love this bag. This is the strap for the regular Tabby. And as you guys can see, it's more just, to me, it's a little thicker. Let's compare. Okay, so yeah, with both of them up, this one is a lot thinner, which I love, the thinner strap. And then this one is more so a thicker strap, and it's like the same structured type of material as this one. Let's start with the openings and the closings, how it opens. So it's more of like that little button there to open her, whereas the new one is not. So you have to actually close it, but it's so easy. And this is the same one that my quilted small tabby has, and I love it. This one folds all the way back. This one can fold back, but she stops there. Whereas again, this one, she's folded all the way back. A little bit easier to get into. They both have this little pocket, this slip pocket in the front. Again, I don't have anything in there, so I'll go back to this one. I'm gonna be going back and forth, by the way, because when I shop for bags, I like to look at full reviews, and I feel like sometimes it's really, really hard for me to find a super detailed review. I am trying to be super detailed because this would literally be the video that I would look for if I was deciding on which one to get and I didn't have a Coach store close to me. So like if I didn't have a Coach store near me or somewhere where I could actually go view these bags in person, I would be on YouTube and TikTok scrubbing the internet to try to find someone who possibly had both or who could compare. So that's why I'm being a little bit more detailed. Okay, so again, this is this little small little pocket. I'm actually comparing this for myself too. First off, the inside is not the same, right? This one has another super like slim slip pocket, whereas this one of course does not. It opens up immediately here, opens up immediately to your main compartment, which is this one. So it's small slip pocket, bigger one. Okay, so next you have the button, right? So you have a button compartment instead of the zip. In this tabby, you have, again, I have so much stuff in here, y'all. I have the zip. Very nice zip too, by the way. This is a very nice zip too, it's butter. And then you have another bigger compartment in the back, and then the little Coach, and that's it, right? This one also has just a pocket, which I have my Costco card in. I was looking for that, actually. I actually was looking for this. Yeah, so yeah, that's back there. But yeah, this one has the slip pocket that is just open, right? So it's cute, she's open. So this one, after the button one, you just have this large compartment back here. You have the little Coach engraved into the leather, and then that's it. And then like I mentioned before, this one is a zipper. She's not as smooth as the other one. She'll get there. Yeah, I will probably try to do like a side-by-side with both of them. This one is a lot more bulky, and this one is actually heavier, of course, and just kind of for size. I also have nothing in it, but and then this is kind of side-by-side. This one, since it is structured, it's gonna be this size and shape no matter what. So I could put 3 things in it, or I could put maybe 30 things in it. It's gonna look like this. This one, on the other hand, if I put less in it, of course she's gonna be flat probably. She's gonna, you know, change the shape a little bit. The more I put in it, the more it's going to bulk up and actually fill the space in there. So yeah, if you haven't already, or if you've been looking at this bag, let me know which one you guys like more. Do you guys like this one, or do you guys like this one more? I love them both, but I am honestly probably gonna wear this one way more than I've worn this one. I've worn this one a lot, so that is very telling. She's super, super cute, and yeah. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below which one you guys like more. All right, you guys, so that does it for the unboxing of my new little baby. She is absolutely stunning. Coach is definitely that girl. I absolutely love Coach, will forever be a Coach girly. And I will see you guys in my next unboxing, and let me know in the comments what you guys think. And if you want to see the full unboxing, like the absolute full with like paper taking off, cutting off the tags and everything, I will have a short that's coming too. So stay tuned for that. If I have it already, it'll just be in the cards. That way you guys can look and just get the full unboxing experience. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Bye, loves.